clear clogged arteries fast with this secret tea. Your heart health is vital to your overall well-being, and keeping your arteries clear is one of the most important steps you can take to prevent heart disease and improve circulation. While a healthy lifestyle and diet play a major role, there's a secret tea that can support your efforts to naturally cleanse your arteries and promote better blood flow. Packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and powerful natural ingredients, this tea works to break down plaque buildup, reduce cholesterol, and protect your heart. In this guide, we'll reveal the recipe for this simple yet effective tea and explain how its ingredients can help you achieve better cardiovascular health. If you're ready to take a proactive step toward a healthier heart and cleaner arteries, this natural remedy could be the game changer you've been looking for. Discover the secret to unclogging your arteries fast and naturally with this powerful tea recipe. Are you tired of feeling sluggish, experiencing high blood pressure, or dealing with the risks of heart disease? Learn how this ancient remedy can help clear your arteries, improve blood flow, and boost your overall health. From reducing inflammation to breaking down plaque, find out how this simple tea can become your new best friend for a healthier heart. Watch until the end to get the easy-to-make recipe and start feeling the benefits for yourself. Clogged arteries. It's a topic that's really close to my heart, no pun intended. You see, heart health is something that affects millions of people around the world, and it's an issue that's only growing more serious by the day. But what if I told you there's a way to clear those clogged arteries fast, and it's not some fancy medication or surgery? It's actually a secret tea that's been hiding in plain sight. The reality is, clogged arteries are a ticking time bomb, waiting to unleash a heart attack or stroke on unsuspecting victims. And the scariest part? It can happen to anyone, at any time. The stats are staggering. In the US alone, someone has a heart attack every 40 seconds. That's over 800,000 people every year. And the worst part is, it's often completely preventable. Yet, despite the dangers, many people struggle to make the necessary changes to protect their heart health. The truth is, we're all guilty of neglecting our heart health from time to time. We get caught up in our busy lives, and before we know it, we're stuck in a rut of unhealthy habits. But it's never too late to make a change. And that's exactly what I'm going to do today. Share with you a secret tea recipe that can help clear those clogged arteries fast. This secret tea is packed with ingredients that have been scientifically proven to improve heart health and clear clogged arteries. Take turmeric, for example. It contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Then there's ginger, which has been shown to reduce bad cholesterol and lower blood pressure. And let's not forget about cinnamon, which has natural blood-thinning properties. When combined, these ingredients create a potent blend that can help clear clogged arteries and get your heart health back on track. Studies have shown that this secret tea can help reduce plaque buildup in the arteries by up to 50% in just a few short weeks. And it's not just about the numbers. People who have tried this tea have reported feeling more energized, more focused, and more alive. One woman even shared with me how this tea helped her reduce her blood pressure and avoid a potential heart attack. It's stories like these that remind us of the power of natural remedies. So, what can you expect from this secret tea? For starters, you can expect to see a significant reduction in plaque buildup in your arteries. You'll also notice an improvement in your overall energy levels and a reduction in inflammation. And as an added bonus, you may even see a decrease in your blood pressure and bad cholesterol levels. The benefits are endless, and the best part is, it's incredibly easy to make and incorporate into your daily routine. In conclusion, this secret tea is a game changer when it comes to heart health. It's a powerful, natural remedy that can help clear clogged arteries fast and get your heart health back on track. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. And don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your journey to better heart health. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop any questions or comments below. I'm here to support you on this journey to better health, and I'll see you in the next video.